Hello everyone, how to split name in Excel with two different methods. So let's start. First open your Excel and here you can see I have data in one column with the first name and last name. So here I'm going to split in two different columns. So I select the first cell and type here the John. So I type here the first name. So here I select the first cell with the select below blank cell. And here I press Ctrl E to flash fill your data. Okay. Same for second column, last name. So I type here the last name and select here the cell with the below blank cell and press here the Ctrl E to flash fill to data. So here you can quickly split your first name and last name. Okay. And the second way, I just remove this all. First select the column. So I select here entire column. Then go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the text to columns. And here the one dialog box is open. Convert text to column. Then choose here the delimitate. After that, you can check the preview here of your selected data. Just click on the next. And here in delimitate, in data preview, you can see in your data, you are going to remove comma and space. So I select here comma and space. Now you can see your data preview. Okay. So in two different column, your first name and last name showing. I just click on the next and here in destination A2 is selected. I just click on this arrow and select here B2, the destination. And click on here the arrow. And after that, I click on the finish. And that's it. You can see your name is split in two different columns. So this is the way you can use these two methods in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.